It seems some people thought my last video was a tutorial. Speed drafting. It's a promotion. Just a bit of fun. I have now renamed it. The info buttons and the information below the video take you to the tutorial proper, a 3-part series on drafting the basic block. There are many methods for drafting blocks for dress patterns. I use a variety of techniques myself. Most tutorials are confusing, especially for beginners. I have researched and tested the easiest and most reliable method for this series of tutorials. The ebook detailing every step is available free on my site angelakane.com/ebooks. Just register. Go to part 1 of new pattern cutting. Please subscribe to keep up to date and look out for more tutorials in this series. An easy way to draft the sleeve will be coming next. If you watched the earlier promotion, thanks for watching it again.